Constantly review, all-in-one cookie consent and GDPR compliance made simple. Are you tired of worrying about GDPR compliance and getting slapped with massive fines for your website? What if I told you there's a tool that handles all your privacy compliance headaches in just a few clicks? Today I'm reviewing Constantly, the all-in-one privacy compliance platform that's currently available on AppSumo with a massive discount. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that follow button and subscribe to stay updated on the best software deals and reviews. And if you want a complete tutorial on how to set up Constantly step by step, drop a comment below and I'll create one for you. Check the description or first comment for the direct link to this amazing deal. So what exactly is Constantly and why should you care about it? Constantly is a consent management platform that helps website owners stay compliant with GDPR, CCA, and other privacy regulations without hiring lawyers or developers. The platform automatically scans your website for cookies, blocks them until users give consent, generates legal policies, and logs every consent decision for audit purposes. This is perfect for SaaS companies, small businesses, and web design agencies who need to handle privacy compliance for multiple clients. Let me break down the key features that make Constantly stand out from other consent management platforms. First up is the automatic cookie scanning feature that detects all cookies and trackers on your website instantly. You don't need to manually identify every cookie your site uses because Constantly does the heavy lifting automatically. The platform then blocks all non-essential cookies until visitors explicitly give their consent, which is crucial for GDPR compliance. Next is the branded cookie banner customization that lets you match the banner designed to your website's branding perfectly. You can customize colors, fonts, button styles, and messaging to create a professional look that doesn't feel like a generic pop-up. The cookie banner supports over 45 languages, making it ideal for websites with international audiences. Constantly is also fully compliant with IAB-TCF version 2.2 and Google Consent Mode version 2. This means your ads and analytics will continue working properly while respecting user privacy choices. The policy generator is another game-changing feature that creates GDPR, CCA, privacy policies, and terms and conditions with just a few clicks. You simply answer a few questions about your business and Constantly generates legally compliant policies tailored to your specific needs. This alone could save you hundreds or thousands of dollars in legal fees. The consent logging system automatically stores every consent decision in audit-ready logs that you can access anytime. If regulators ever ask for proof of compliance, you'll have a complete record of who consented to what and when. Installation is incredibly simple because you just add one script to your website and everything works automatically. Constantly integrates seamlessly with WordPress, Wix, Webflow, and custom HTML websites through a simple code snippet. No complex setup, no developer needed, just paste the code and you're done. Now let's talk about the AppSumo lifetime deal pricing because this is where things get really interesting. The regular pricing for consent management platforms can run hundreds of dollars per month, especially for agencies managing multiple client websites. But AppSumo is offering Constantly as a lifetime deal starting at just $39. Let me break down the 5 license tiers so you can choose the right one for your needs. License Tier 1 costs $39 and includes one domain with 50,000 page views per month. This tier is perfect for small business owners or solopreneurs with a single website. License Tier 2 is $129 and covers 5 domains with 250,000 page views per month. This is ideal for entrepreneurs managing multiple websites or small agencies with a handful of clients. License Tier 3 costs $249 and includes 10 domains with 1 million page views per month. This tier works great for growing agencies or businesses with multiple high-traffic websites. License Tier 4 is $449 and covers 25 domains with 2.5 million page views per month. This is perfect for established agencies managing numerous client websites. License Tier 5 costs $699 and offers unlimited domains with unlimited page views. This is the ultimate tier for large agencies or enterprises that need complete flexibility without any restrictions. All tiers include lifetime access, which means you pay once and never worry about monthly subscription fees again. Every plan comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can test constantly risk-free and get a full refund if it doesn't meet your needs. AppSumo also covers this deal with their "We Got Your Back" guarantee for additional peace of mind. Now let's discuss the pros and cons based on real user experiences and my analysis. The biggest pro is the affordable lifetime pricing that provides incredible value compared to monthly subscription alternatives. The automatic cookie scanning and blocking eliminates the technical complexity of managing privacy compliance manually. The customization options ensure your cookie banner looks professional and matches your brand identity perfectly. Multi-language support makes it easy to serve global audiences without creating separate banners for different regions. The comprehensive consent logging gives you peace of mind knowing you're protected if regulators ever audit your website. The simple installation process means you can be compliant in minutes, not hours or days. On the cons side, the integration options are somewhat limited to WordPress, Wix, Webflow, and HTML code. If you're using other platforms, you might need to use the custom HTML integration method. Large enterprises in highly regulated industries might need more advanced features than Constantly currently offers. Some users might prefer paying monthly rather than making a larger upfront lifetime investment. However, considering you save thousands compared to monthly subscriptions, this is a minor concern. Who is Constantly best suited for based on my research and experience? Small business owners who need simple GDPR compliance without hiring expensive lawyers or developers. Web design agencies managing privacy compliance for multiple client websites across different industries. SaaS companies that need reliable consent management to protect their business from regulatory fines. E-commerce store owners who collect customer data and need to stay compliant with international privacy laws. Freelance developers who want to offer compliance solutions as an additional service to their clients. Anyone who wants to stop worrying about privacy compliance and focus on growing their business instead. How does Constantly compare to competitors like Cookiebot, Osano, or other consent management platforms? Most enterprise-grade consent platforms charge between $50 to several $100 per month per website. Constantly's lifetime deal means you could save thousands of dollars over just a couple of years. While some competitors offer more advanced enterprise features, Constantly covers all the essentials that most businesses actually need. The automatic cookie detection is comparable to AI-powered solutions that cost significantly more. The policy generator alone justifies the investment since legal consultation for privacy policies typically costs hundreds of dollars. The user interface is intuitive and doesn't require technical expertise, unlike some complex enterprise solutions. Let me share some practical use cases where Constantly shines. If you run a WordPress blog with affiliate links, Constantly ensures you're compliant with cookie regulations across different regions. For e-commerce stores using tracking pixels from Facebook, Google, or other platforms, Constantly manages consent before these trackers load. Web agencies can white label the solution and offer compliance as a value-added service to clients. Marketing teams can continue using analytics and advertising tools while respecting user privacy choices automatically. Startups launching in multiple countries can ensure compliance across different regional privacy laws from day one. What about the technical implementation and how Constantly actually works behind the scenes? After you sign up, you create a project and add your domain to the Constantly dashboard. The platform scans your website automatically and identifies all cookies and tracking scripts present. You then customize your cookie banner appearance, messaging, and cookie categories through the visual editor. Once satisfied, you copy the Constantly script and paste it into your website's header section. The script automatically blocks non-essential cookies until visitors make their consent choices. When users accept or reject cookies, constantly logs these decisions and only loads the appropriate scripts. All consent records are stored securely and can be exported for regulatory audits if needed. The dashboard provides analytics showing consent rates, popular choices, and compliance status across all your domains. Is constantly worth the investment, and should you grab this AppSumo deal? If you operate any website that collects user data through cookies, compliance isn't optional anymore. GDPR fines can reach up to 4% of annual revenue or 20 million euros, whichever is higher. Even small businesses have been fined thousands of dollars for non-compliant cookie banners. Constantly eliminates this risk for a one-time payment that's less than most platforms charge for 2 months. The time savings alone justify the investment, since you don't need to research regulations or manually implement solutions. For agencies, the ability to manage multiple client domains makes this an incredible value proposition. The 60-day refund period gives you plenty of time to test whether Constantly meets your specific needs. Remember to check the description or first comment below for the direct link to grab this Constantly deal on AppSumo. Don't forget to follow and subscribe so you never miss out on amazing software deals and in-depth reviews like this. And seriously, if you want a complete step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to set up Constantly for your website, drop a comment below. Privacy compliance doesn't have to be complicated or expensive, and Constantly proves that with this lifetime deal. Take action now before this AppSumo deal expires and you're stuck paying monthly subscription fees forever.